Kenya does not lack talent. Our challenge is to discover and to develop. The government of Kenya, therefore, working with the private sector, will establish the Kenya National Talent Search to identify talent and innovation in music, comedy, acting, poetry, film, dance, sports, and other fields throughout the year in every part of Kenya. The State Department for Youth, working in collaboration with the Creative Economy Office and with the support of Sports Fund, must now move with urgency to roll out the program without further delay. The Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, who coordinates between the national government and the counties, will ensure that this receives the full support and coordination of government at both levels. To align the national talent search with our most urgent national priority, I propose that its inaugural theme be Kenya Beyond 2030. We want to listen to the youth. We want to know what they think about Kenya Beyond 2030. Beginning next year, school creative events shall also carry this theme. Let our young people use their creativity to imagine Kenya's future development. I look forward to personally recognizing winners of the national talent at the Kalasha International Film and TV Awards.